Welcome and good morning. Well, in this episode we are doing a Captain Drone non-scientific camera comparison test with the Mavic Air 2, a drone I really like, against the Phantom 4 Pro. This is the Pro with the 1-inch sensor, you know, the really awesome camera, the one everybody wants. So how do these drones compare? Well, I'm going to toss them up in the air, leave everything on auto. I'm recording in 4K 60. That's why it looks like a soap opera. So you're watching this video in 4K 60. If you're not, please adjust your settings on YouTube. Toss them up in the air, film me, film other stuff, put the video side by side and or one after another, and you decide which one looks better to you on YouTube, on your little tiny $25 phone or your 8K TV. You decide. Here we go. All right, here I am. There's the Mavic Air 2 up in the air, and here I am. The sun is directly behind it, so I have all the maximum light right on me right now. And you can probably tell, if you take a look at my legs, you could probably set your white balance on your camera with my legs. They are so white. Yeah, they don't tan. I don't know what's up with that. Some genetic defect. So here I am moving around, shadows in the back. This is what it looks like with the Mavic Air 2. Now, the Mavic Air 2, in my opinion, is one of the best drones that is available for the price. The price on this thing is just amazing for what you get. So I think DJI, you know, they knocked it out of the park with the Mavic Air 2. It's a really good drone for the price. For a lot of people that just like to film their family, their kids, their vacation, throw videos up on YouTube, you know, the Mavic Air 2 just seems to be perfect for all that sort of stuff. So this is basically what you get. You know, the colors are kind of subdued that I have here. This is lime green down here, or yellow. I don't know. I'm colorblind. Whatever. So I'm gonna put the Phantom 4 Pro Plus up in the air, same spot, and check out and see if there's any difference. Here we go. All right, there's the Phantom 4 Pro up in the air, and the sun is blinding me. The sun is just directly in my eyes because it's almost right behind the Phantom 4 Pro. So here we go, Phantom 4 Pro. Once again, check out the colors, check out how everything looks. I got a blue t-shirt, green shorts, super white legs, and a black hat. And this thing down here is like lime green or yellow, lime yellow, I don't know. Anyways, those are the colors you see. Now, I will tell you, the Phantom 4 Pro, this is the Phantom 4 Pro Plus because it has the integrated screen in the controller. The Phantom 4 Pro has always been like the workhorse of DJI for many, many years. Probably not so much anymore because the Mavics have taken over, but the Phantom always had the best image of anything, the best stability, the best whatever. Phantom, 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 that's all you ever heard. But the Mavics are kind of taking over that realm, and the Phantom is kind of being like old school. So I don't even know if we'll get a Phantom 5. I hope we get one. So here's the colors. Now you'll notice one thing, this is the Pro, so it has a 1-inch sensor, which is much larger than what is on the Mavic Air 2. So it works really well in low light and gathers a lot of image data and quality, and it records at a high level, and you know, it's pretty darn decent. But I bet you looking at this on YouTube, you can't see much difference other than having the bigger sensor and a lot more light coming in and older technology. You will notice it's probably more contrast. You know, blacks are blacker, brilliant colors are brighter. So things like this, for example, like my little bag down here, that might look a little bit more brighter. It might not look lime, it might look white, I don't know. And my legs might look like they have LED lights in them. It might look even worse. Once again, I don't know because I haven't seen this image, but I do know how the cameras function on these here drones. I do know that the Phantom is also really good on dull overcast days because of that 1-inch sensor. It grabs in a lot of light, a lot of pixels, and it really makes an image pop on the dull days. Whereas some of the other drones, they're not really made for dull days. So enough of me chatting. You've seen the Phantom and you've seen the Mavic Air 2. Now I'm going to put them side by side so you can look at them. I'll crop in even if I can, and then I'll take these drones for a flight and compare them. So here we go with that. right, so there you have it, the Phantom 4 Pro against the Mavic Air 2. 2016 technology, bigger sensor, technology in 2016, state-of-the-art technology in the Phantom, and here we have the Mavic Air, which now has the budget state-of-the-art technology. And I say budget because they have figured out a way in technology to take something like this, which costs a lot of money, squeeze down the technology and just put out exactly what the average consumer needs for day-to-day use of filming the family on vacation, the dogs, the kids, putting your videos on YouTube. This is what they created, and I think they did a great job. So you've seen the comparison here between the Phantom and the Mavic Air 2, and you can decide which one is better for your liking on YouTube. If you're watching it on your little $25 phone, like I like to call them, because there's a lot of cheap phones out there, or you're watching it on your 4K screen or your 8K screen, you're going to see a big difference. But overall, you can pretty much tell which one you found more pleasing to your eyes, and that's the one you'll probably go with. So if you have neither of these drones, I'm going to put links below this video to where you can find them. This one's rather expensive compared to this one. This one's under $1,000, this one's over $1,000, so you have to decide. This one has a lot more capabilities for flying and filming, and this one has a lot more capabilities for the average consumer for just having a lot of fun filming the family, the dogs, the pets, vacation, and yeah, pretty much everything you want, and just throwing your videos for family videos on YouTube. This is probably the best one for it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the future with many more videos. Take care.